Now, I want you to take this as a keynote. You cannot solve your problem using the same thinking you used when you created them. You cannot solve your problem using the same thinking you used when you created them. Do you understand that? If you find yourself in a problem, the first problem is to understand the problem. The problem is not to find a solution. The problem is first to understand the problem. Because if you cannot interpret your problem, you cannot solve the problem. So when you are in trouble, when you are in problems, when you are in challenges, the first thing to do is to understand the problem without creating another problem.